A dispenser designed for a better future, crafted with up to 100% post-consumer plastic bottles. Say goodbye to single-use waste. Hospitality dispensers. Engineered for effortless, one-handed use, built for longevity. Our semi-permanent pump is tested for over 1 million activations, delivering rock-solid performance. Bigger bottles for less maintenance. Available in single, double, and triple units with 3 timeless finishes. Mount it your way with double-sided tape or screws for a seamless fit anywhere. Precise, drip-free dispensing every time. Minimal effort, maximum impact. Designed for spaces that matter. OPHARDT Hygiene.